Hi there. In this video we'll be looking at something that I have absolutely nothing to do with. My wife decided she wants something like this, so it's a Rowenta, I'm guessing together with Karl Lagerfeld company. I don't know, for the design or for whatever. I have no clue, or it's just a brand. Anyway, 25mm curling tong. Okay, natural looking curls and waves. I guess, okay, keratin and glow. 25mm. So depending on the diameter of your curls, you buy a different one of these. Okay. What else do we have in here? Where's some English? No English for us? Ah, here is the English. Okay, a protein and a mineral stone. What the hell? Really? That's some next level wanker in here. With this keratin and tourmaline. Really? Anyway, if the tool itself is okay, it will do the job, but that's next level wankery. Bouncy curls, so you can do both of them, bouncy curls and loose waves. What? I'm out of my element, really out of my element. Let's open this thing up. Am I trying to open from the bottom? Does this thing actually have a proper end to open it from? Obviously my wife will decide if this thing does a proper job or not, and I will relay that info to you. I don't think we can put the scope or the multimeter on this thing. Yeah, we can check the temperature with the thermal camera, that for sure we can do, but the rest of it, I think it's just for the user to tell us. Overall, feels nice. I'm guessing the shiny part in here is all that wankery of I don't know what type of stone and whatnot. Could be small particles in there, or could be just a glossy metallic paint and be done with it. So I have no clue. Off, on. Presumably it has a LED in here. I'm curious if it's actually a LED or it's one of those little neon lights that I really like. Obviously this thing is fully rotating, and I don't think it's, nope, not user removable. So it has a rotating contact, so you can play around with this thing. How much power does this thing draw? Only that, 43 to 47 watts. Okay, that's actually okay. And do not take it with you in the bathtub or in the shower. You will get a nasty surprise. They are insisting with this, and I'm thinking because many tried to do that. Okay, overall, like, if I consider this a tool, feels nice in the hand. Not any of that rubberized paint stupid thing that will peel off and get all sticky and gooey. Yeah, I'm guessing that's the dude with the name, Karl Lagerfeld, Lager what. Anyway, this switch feels nice. So yeah, seems like a decent tool. And this I don't, actually it is okay. I was prepared to say I do not like this because it will touch and burn the surface that you put it on, but if you look here, it has another little foot, so it actually does not touch anything. I could actually power it on and let it heat up so we can check the temperature while we are taking a look at the manual. So on with that switch, and it's the little neon. It's not blinking like you see it, that's just from the frames, but I do see it shimmering. Is that the correct term? Yeah, it's the neon. I love them as opposed to just dumb LEDs. Cool. So now this thing, yeah, it's starting to heat up. I'll just let it do its thing. Try not to touch anything with it, especially my fingers. That would suck. And then I will be checking the temperature to see what women, I don't know, put themselves through to get proper cars with this thing. This is heating right up. Are you freaking kidding me? Are you destroying my mat in here? No. Jesus, I can solder with this thing. Almost. So yeah, as you can see, maximum temp is 184 degrees at the moment. Presumably it will kind of stay in there. I didn't think for a second it will be this hot, but it seems that it needs to get this hot to do its thingy. Rest of it, yeah, it's chill. It's room temperature, so the rest of it does not heat up. We have a clear demarcation or separation line. 190. Yeah. I haven't heard it clicking up until now, so it's still heating up. That kind of sucks. International warranty. Don't care about those. Yeah, whatever. Conical, what? Oh, really? So in the manual they are showing us their whole lineup. So yeah, we have this one right in here. So they have 10, 16, 25, 32 and 38 from what I can see here. Adjustable temperature. Where's that from? How do I adjust it? Huh? Maybe not on this model. A thermomat. Because yeah, look at that. It's heating up this thingy. Yeah, it will draw itself back. It's not a problem. This can take decently high temperature without failing, but yikes. So you kind of need to buy a mat. We did not get a mat. This is not a mat. Okay, I need to tell my wife, hey, you didn't buy enough. You need to buy more to use this thing. So yeah, 100. It will probably get to 200 degrees and kind of stay there. It might be electronically controlled, so we might not hear some sort of relay or thermostat clicking. Maybe it's just electronical. We'll see. Yeah, so it is kind of overheating this thing in here, and I'm afraid it will damage it. I cannot put it onto some cardboard because this is already kind of hot. This has a nice feel in the hand. Its only purpose is to keep the hair in there, but whoa, respect to him, and I would not have the balls to put this anywhere close to my head. I would panic. I would honestly panic that I'm going to fry my ears or something. So yep, ladies, you have bigger balls than I have in terms of using things like this, honestly. I think I'm going to shut it off because I'm actually even afraid to play with this because I'm going to do something and touch it and then scream like a little girl. So, what the hell? Papaya infused coating. Argan oil infused coating. What the hell is this wankery? At 200 degrees, nothing remains there, just the paint itself. And also that it's getting really baked. Yeah, wankery, a lot of wankery. So basically you are supposed to open it up, put your hair in there, close it, and then roll it. And wait. These are minutes. Sorry, I want a mess. Those are seconds. So you don't stay with this on your hair for 6 to 10 minutes. 6 to 10 seconds you keep the curls and then open it up, go again in another area. And also this lady has a glove, but initially she doesn't. So between these, she actually between first time in those 6 to 10 seconds, she actually decided to get a glove because she will burn herself. So my wife should actually also get a glove, not only this thermo mat. Awesome. Anyway, then it takes 10 minutes for it to cool down, so you can store it away. This thing, again, ours does not have the temperature adjustment. Unplug it, then it cools down, obviously. And you do the cable, you wind the cable onto the handle itself, not onto that. That's quite important, you don't want to damage your cable. Yeah, let me look in here if there's anything more interesting. So I guess we basically have this model right here. And look here, this is adjustable and this is adjustable. Ours is not adjustable. So I want to show you the instructions, but this is a bloody A1 size paper. This is my hand. So yeah, and we have English right about here. 6 to 10 seconds. Yes, if you are not an idiot like me, you will know that that is seconds and not minutes. Feel free to read. So yep, so you need an RCD. We do have an RCD, so yeah, there's way less chances of electrocution, obviously, and yeah, and that's about it. Have fun with it. And I just wasted 10 minutes of my life, maybe not 10 but 5 for sure, bending this paper right back into its original form. It's like when they have these huge sheets, they do their best to make it so you can never bend it properly back. Joke's on you, I did it. And we are down to 65 degrees and cooling, as you can see. We will be in a moment less than 65, 64 and something. So it is cooling fairly quickly. Yeah, but still not ready to be packed in. Overall, that's it for the moment, because I will give this to my wife and she will start to use it, and I will obviously get back to you with her impressions, because those matter, mine don't. So, a good while later I realized one important thing. 99% this was an impulse buy of my wife, and who knows if it will ever get used, because it wasn't used until now. So basically I cannot give you more info about it, even if I wait probably a few years. So yeah, what you got in the video up until now, it's all of the info I have. Sorry about that. If you are using it, please tell us in the comments if it's okay, it's not okay, how it works and stuff like that, if it's reliable and whatnot. But yeah, this one still in box, exactly as I put it after filming the first part of the video. So yeah, that's about it. See you in the next one.